Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Sagittarius fire sign. This is mid-month reading, August. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Sagittarius, your feelings towards your person. Sagittarius, your feelings towards your person. So this side, your person feelings towards you. Energy could be vice versa. So keep in mind. Okay. So let's see your feelings towards your person Sagittarius. First, King of Wands, Ten of Cups, Six of Swords. Wow, the Lovers, Gemini. And your feeling and their feelings towards you Sagittarius. Page of Cups, the Hermit, Six of Wands. Wow, Wheel of Fortune. I think Sagittarius, this time you stand by your power. You are in your energy, fire sign, King of Wands, and you want Ten of Cups. Definitely you are feeling very powerful, and you love your person, Gemini. You or your person could be Gemini. You both love each other, definitely, because the Lovers is here, and Six of Swords. I think this could be long distance relationship, and the disputes between both of you are going to be resolved. And your person feelings towards you, yes, they want this connection, and they want success with you, Six of Wands, and Wheel of Fortune. Definitely they want some changes in this connection. I think some changes are going in this connection. You both want this connection because you in your person side Six of Wands, and your side Ten of Cups. Definitely you both love each other, and your person is spiritually awakening in this connection right now. And if even they did anything wrong, definitely they will tell sorry to you, because Page of Cups is communication. So you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sag, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see mutual energy between both of you. Sagittarius, Three of Swords, Seven of Wands. I think one person could be hurt in this connection because one person invests more than the other person. I'm getting, I think it's you Sagittarius invest in this connection more than your person. But Seven of Wands, you both don't want to give up on this connection because you both have strong soulmate connection. Seven of Wands means not giving up. Even you both know there are some obstacles, but you don't want to give up on this connection. So let's see some more. Sagittarius from your side. Okay, patience. Wow, Seven of Pentacles. Yes, patience and balance is needed in this connection. New vision, Hangman from your person side. Yes, your person is spiritually awakening about your connection. They feel your connection. They are newly thinking about your connection. Exhaustion, Nine of Wands. So I think one person is exhausted about the connection because Three of Swords and Nine of Wands is here, but don't want to give up on this connection. So let's see one more. The burden, Six of Swords, sharing, Queen of Pentacles. Sorry, one. Intensity, Knight of Wands. There are some burden in this connection because one person investing more than the other person. That is the main issue, but that burden or those issues are going to be settled in near future, because Six of Swords two times. Definitely you both will communicate and resolve the things between both of you. Your person sees you as like Queen of Pentacles. You holding your coin, you stand by your power, and you both will communicate. So let's see some more cards from universe for final message. Three of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, 2 times, 8 of Swords. Someone is stuck in this connection but want to move forward. So I think you both have to work on this relationship. 3 of Pentacles is here. Knight of Wands. Yes, you person, I think Sagittarius, you want to go towards your person, but there is some stuckness in this connection. So you both want to work on this relationship, I am getting, because 3 of Pentacles is here. Wheel of Fortune and 10 of Cups. Yes, you both will end up with each other, but it will take time. Right now there are some burden, there are some issues are going between both of you, but those issues, when you both are communicating clearly, those will be resolved, I am getting. So you both have strong ties with each other. So patience and balance is needed. 7 of Pentacles is here. Your person is spiritually awakening your connection, so don't worry, because they are knowing your worth. Because the Hanged Man is also stuck. They are stuck. They are thinking about you a lot. They are stuck. And spiritual awakening also. So you have to be patient. So this is the reading for you, Sagittarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.